Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So guess what? It's the kids' time, and we are going to have a fantastic time with these kids doing what they normally do, which is the trials competition. So you can see behind me, this is where it all starts. We're going to have a blast. So stay tuned. Kids are coming. Let's have some fun. Later. All right, guys, you ready? Let's do it.
Are the future of everything that we do, and I think it's great for anyone, all of us, to provide an opportunity to give them a little bit of spotlight, right? Yeah, awesome. Fire up, right? I want to hear some combustion.
He's on an e-bike.
He's on an e-bike.
I want to hear some.
Nice job. Woo! That's all right. It's all right. Good job, man. Hit it, go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Yeah! Yeah! Go!
Rider.
It was the balance beam and the mud.
Balance beam in the mud. Yeah, you know what? Those are the hardest parts for, I think, the big kids too. Okay? You know what, Ryder? You did an awesome job. You know what? We'll see you back here next year to do it even better, right? Yeah! Okay.
Woo!
Say thanks to everybody, and we'll see you.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, there you go. Good job, Ryder.
Robert! He's grown up now, he's Robert. Nice job! Nice job!
There you go.
Nice. Not, oh, all right, all right.
Robert, okay, I'm sorry. Robert, how do you feel about that run? What was the favorite part about that?
I like the teeter tot.
You like the teeter tot? Okay, that's great. What was the most challenging part about that?
The mud pit.
The mud pit? How do you feel about the mud pits now? You've been through a couple mud pits now. How do you feel about them? Are they easy or hard? He thinks the mud pits are easy now, guys. Okay?
Wow.
That's a lesson for the big kids. Do you have anything you would like to say to all the big kids here? That would.
He's off, baby. He is off. Oh! This is what makes this weekend all about right here. Nice. Give it the gas! Give it the gas! Nice job! Way to clean that! Nice job. Nice. She did that twice.
What was the hardest part about this course this year? Probably the tennis balls. I think you get better than a lot of the adults are going to do on the tennis balls. All right, last question. Was this year's challenge easier or harder than last year? Steve said this year's challenge was easier than last year's. Would you like me to make it harder? He wants me to make it harder. Can you wave and say thank you, everybody?
All right, here we go.
Right behind. There you go. Let's go. You got it. Come on. It's split on the back. Let's go.
Good job, girl.
You got.
Good. Come on. All right. Keep going. Keep going. You got it. You got it.
Woo!
There you go. There you go. Good.
We got her. We got her.
Let's go, Kelly. Let's go. Let's go, Kelly. Let's go. You got this, Kelly. It's just now, Kelly. You can do it. You can do this, Kelly.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! You got this! Come on, you got it! Come on, Kelly. You got it! You got it! You see her face? It's awesome. I love it.
She had to take that.
I got it all on camera, man.
Oh, great. Okay. And if you want, I'll put up. Hold on. I got the bike. I got the bike. Yep. Okay. You just go whenever you're ready to go. And give it as much as you got.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Thank you. You got this awesome bandana. I'll give it to you when you're done. How do you feel about that? That was a fantastic run. You got all your friends and family and fans around. How do you feel? Scared still? Hey, everyone raise your hand if you've been scared riding a motorcycle. That's what we're talking about, Kelly. Do you feel that you rose to the challenge and you've grown some by challenging yourself? A little? Okay, you know what? It'll take some time for it to sink in, okay? Let's just do this. Why don't you say, can you say thank you and wave to all the friends and family here that supported you?
Thank you.
All right, just them.
All right.
Okay. All right, guys, now's the time. Congratulations, guys. This is the official ending to this
Oh!
You guys are the best. Everyone, please give it one last round of applause for the biggest heroes of
Ha ha ha!